If Telegram on your computer is showing the error an email account is required, don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This usually happens when Telegram desktop wants a valid email for verification, or when the app is having trouble connecting through your existing session. The good news is there are a few simple fixes you can try right away, and most of the time, one of them solves the issue fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, if Telegram is asking for an email account, make sure you enter a real email address from a standard provider like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Do not use a temporary or disposable email address, because Telegram often blocks those and the verification may fail. After entering the email, check your inbox carefully for the confirmation code or message from Telegram. If it does not arrive right away, also check spam or promotions, then try resending the code if that option is available. Now, if the email step is still not working, the next method is to use car code login instead. This is one of the easiest ways to bypass the prompt entirely. Open Telegram on your phone, go to Settings, then Devices, then tap Link Desktop Device. On your computer, open Telegram Desktop and look for the car code on the login screen. Scan that QR code with your phone, and Telegram should sign you in using your active mobile session. This can often bypass the SMs or email verification wall completely. If you're still stuck, make sure you are already logged in on your phone and that your mobile Telegram app is active and connected to the internet. Sometimes the desktop login works better when Telegram can route the authentication through an existing mobile session instead of forcing a new verification step. So before trying again, open the app on your phone, confirm you're signed in, and then attempt the desktop login once more. Another very effective fix is to reinstall the official Telegram desktop client. Corrupted cache files or a buggy installation can cause strange login errors, including this email prompt. Uninstall Telegram desktop from your computer, then go to the official Telegram desktop website and download a fresh copy directly from Telegram. Avoid third-party download sites because they can contain outdated or modified installers. Once you install the clean version, launch it again and try signing in from scratch. In many cases, that alone clears the problem. If needed, you can also restart your computer and your phone after reinstalling, then try logging in again with the QR code or email method. A fresh session can help reset any temporary login glitches. So to recap, the main fixes are: use a valid email address, try QR code login from your phone, make sure Telegram is active on your mobile device first, and reinstall the official desktop client if necessary. One of these solutions should fix the error and get you back into Telegram quickly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Telegram problems in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.